So, for the starting, I know I am very bad in starting a video. So, hello, my angels. Let's start today's look. First of all, I am removing all the dark, patchy areas on my face with orange corrector from LA Girl Pro Conceal. You can find all the link in the description box below, so don't worry. अभी उसके बाद I am just dabbing with my wet beauty sponge and just spreading the corrector. This will lower down a little bit of temperature of that product. So next I am using MAC strobe cream in the shade Pink Light. This will give me a glowy look when I will put foundation above it, because it will mix with the foundation. It will give a glowy look. Next I am using Peach Me Very Me from Oriflame, and this is kind of foundation, but then it has a peachy glow to it and it is not a very high coverage foundation. So I am using it again as a glowy illuminator kind of. Then I am using my favorite Maybelline Superstay ink foundation. It is in the shade, I don't remember, please find in the description. But to buy such foundations, you should go to the store rather than buying it online. Test it on your skin and then try taking them. Next I am using Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade medium. After we use concealer, then all the darkness and patchiness from the face goes. Instead of this, you can use LA Girl Pro Conceal or you can use Maybelline concealer. Those are also very good. So now you can see my face is a blank slate. Then I am using Estee Lauder bronzer. I am not using initially the contouring. First I am just using bronzer, which is little shimmery plus bronzy and kind of peachy in look, because I want to give the color back on my face, little bit structured, beautiful sculpt. As you can see, I am removing all my double chin area, which I am really trying hard also actually removing it by doing some weight loss. So just coming back to the makeup, sorry. So I'm contouring my nose with that big brush, because afterwards I will be on the final look I will make it a perfect contour, so it doesn't matter if I use a big brush as well. Then I'm bronzing on my forehead now. So this will go on till the time I will feel that my face is looking structured. I'm not looking like some kind of white board. So as you can see, again I have taken my beauty blender, which has a little foundation, and dabbing all the powder into my skin. This is the perfect thing you can do, to give a smooth and glowy look to your face. Then now my favorite NYX contouring bronzer in the shade 01 medium, and giving little bit more sculpting to my cheekbones, drawing a line right from the pinna of the ear and extending it till the corner of the lip. Then contouring a little bit on the fat part of my nose and just blending it with my eyeshadow, which I have not put till now. But your nose contour should always blend with your eye makeup so that it looks like a single structure. Then I have tried this This is Miss Clair eye pencil glimmer stick for eyes in the shade Gold E13. I had a brown of this and it worked like magic, but I don't know, golden, you can see that it doesn't did its magic, but it will give a pop of golden color if you allow to put it the powder golden, which I did from my Estee Lauder palette. You can bring on any gold color, whichever you like and which adjusts and makes sense with your dress. Then I'm using Sugar eyeliner. just keeping it very thin next to my lash line area, upper lash line area. Then I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Light Camera Action Flashlight Eyelashes Mascara. After using mascara, I would like to tell you, after this a big disaster happened when I was transferring the videos from my camera to my phone. My last video got erased, but somehow while I was seeing that on laptop, I made this small clip for Instagram and Facebook just to make some small videos, and this is all I have. So for eyes, I just have put little bit brown on the inner and outer corners. Then I have used Maybelline Superstay on the corners of my lip in the shade Escapist, and this is the Retro MAC lipstick in the shade Feel So Grand. So this is the final look. Hope you guys have liked it. I'm really sorry I have got that removed, and thank you.